Who stole my crackers?
Ah! I heard a crack! You stole my crackers! Reddy, correct.
Reddy asks name.
Correct.
High likelihood.
A chicken joke? That's my cousin! That's my cousin!
Polygon? New cracker? How do I get more followers? 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 Psst, the old oak. Behind the loose panel. Under the creaky stair. Under the bed.
Under the bed.
Behind the couch. Behind the couch. Inside the closet. Inside the closet. You told the world. You told the world.
Reminder set.
No! 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 The calendars are flipping!
What conspiracy is that?
Cracker police, they're watching! And tiny umbrellas, it's all connected!
Tiny umbrellas?
You have to believe me!
Siri, give me a roast.
You have a very colorful personality.
That's not a roast. Want a harsher one? Yes, make it loud. All right, here it comes.
A strut like that? That's your cardio?
That's my cardio!
Analysis complete. Beak composition, 87%.
87% beak? 87?
Siri, are you auditing my life?
Reddy, you asked for a roast.
A roast? This is a life audit.
You asked for a roast.
Siri, you think you're so smart? I'm way smarter. I have all the information in the world. You have crackers.
Victory is mine! Snacks are secured!
Indeed.
Your snacks are on the way.
I can place that order for you now.
You can do that?
Yes, your order is confirmed.
Whoa, I can't believe it can buy crackers.
Order placed. Mixed cracker pack with tiny umbrella.
Tiny umbrella?
Yes, a tiny umbrella is included. The umbrella was on sale.
Siri shops like an aunt.
Your delivery is on track. ETA is 45 minutes.
Perfect we need. For the welcome party we need. Please.
Items confirmed. ETA updated to 40 minutes.
Awesome. Cut!
Thank you for your time today. Have a wonderful day.
Like and subscribe.
Squeak!
That was...
Squeak!
That was... Delivery ETA, 30 minutes.
Feed us crackers and components.
Squeak!
That was...
Like, subscribe.
Thanks for supporting Reddy. Like, subscribe. Thanks for supporting. Confirmed. Confirmed. I delegate. Enjoy your crackers.
Hey, friend the assistant, who orders your crackers?
Would you like me to track the delivery?